Coming up, Apple Splash and the races on Green Apple from the outside. Gifted Talent Danori inside reality show. Apple Splash is racing fourth. Reality show Green Apple. Gifted Talent Easterhope running by the rail. Apple Splash from the outside. Duguspet is running 6 by the rail. Rompe Candado Yotero and Pictaboom. Easterhope in the middle alongside Green Apple, Reality Show, Gifted Talent, Duguspet, and Apple Splash. Inside the last 700, Easterhope, Reality Show, Green Apple is racing from the outside, Apple Splash, Duguspet, and Gifted Talent. Rounding the far turn, Easterhope, Green Apple from the outside, Reality Show, Apple Splash, and Duguspet. As they race the last corner, Green Apple from the outside, Easterhope, Danori inside, and Duguspet in the middle. Reality Show and Apple Splash, entering the last 150 meters more to run. Green Apple this time by some 4 lengths, and on the outside, Reality Show, Apple Splash, and finally CB Garganta on Green Apple. Apple Splash, Reality Show, Easterhope, Pictabum, Duguspet, Yotero, Rompecandado, and Gifted Talent.